Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through another episode of How To Thursdays, teaching you how to do lizard lunges. Let's go ahead and take it down to the ground. We'll get into our starting position with our hands stacked directly below our shoulders, starting in a high plank. Make sure you have the core engaged and a neutral neck. We're going to bring our left foot up beside our left hand before returning to our starting position and alternating legs. Right foot comes up beside your right hand and returns to your starting position. That is one set of lizard lunges. Let's go ahead and do a couple of sets back to back to see how they flow together. Again, stack your joints. Come up to a nice strong high plank. And we're ready to begin. Left foot comes up, left foot comes back. Right foot comes up, right foot goes back. Inhale as that foot comes up, exhale as it returns, and repeat. Once you have this form right, we can go ahead and speed it up, and it'll look something like this. But first, we focus on our form before we bring our speed up. And that is how you do lizard lunges. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.